Mommy see you get out of your bed. How do you do it? Being that you're in the wrong bed, you're in Benjamin's, and you're in Abraham's, tells Mommy, yeah, little stinkers, not too bad. It's not too bad in here. It's very moisturized with the doors being closed. Show Mommy how you get out of that bed. How do you do it? Show Mommy. That's how you do it. Show Mommy. Show me how you get out of your bed. How do you do it? It's got trucks. He does have your purple truck, doesn't he? Oh, that's how he does it, folks. Whoa. Benjamin, that was crazy. Wow. Boo. You want to see? There's Abraham. Hello.
I see.
There's nothing to see unless we turn it
Oh no.
around like this.
What this? Ow, I got it.
There. Now you can see. There's Abraham. And here's Benjamin.
Ow!
Share him. Give him a car. Give him one car. There, now you have the red one. He can have the purple one. Yeah, you got the red car. Well, y'all did it. Let's go downstairs and we'll go get some juice. We'll get some juice. Hey, love you.
Hey.
Hey, you keep cheating and turning back on your back. You better not. You better not, handsome. You better not, you big 11-week-older. You little cheating baby. You keep twisting back onto your back. You're supposed to be on your side.
Be still.
You're supposed to be on your side.
Cheesy.
You're supposed to be on your side, Grayson. Oh. Oh, my. Oh, my. Grayson. Grayson. Mama sees you. I see you. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I'm going to have to turn you back on your side. You're cheating.
Whoa.
You need a flathead. I had to wear a helmet.
Whoa.
Doctor says. Be in trouble.
Whoa.
Look at this baby smiling. Are you smiling? What are you doing, Malachi? Oh, Malachi, you're so blobby. That's funny, Mama. That's Benny. Mama, that's Benny.
Cheesy.
Mama. Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.